Welcome to Thadorobot, the world of intelligent automation that never sleeps. Like, comment, and subscribe for more cutting-edge science and technology stories.
Imagine a factory that runs day and night without human guards, yet remains fully protected.
These AI eyes analyze every corner of the factory in real time, detecting danger before it happens.
Using deep learning algorithms, and the AI recognizes patterns and behaviors faster than any human.
In less than a second, the system detects risk and prevents costly accidents.
Smart automation powered by Thadorobot ensures maximum safety with zero downtime. No fatigue, no breaks, no mistakes. AI never blinks. It watches 24 hours a day. AI surveillance has cut down industrial incidents by 60% and saves millions annually. Even logistics are optimized with AI, ensuring every movement is safe and precise. Day or night, AI keeps the factory running flawlessly.
The AI defines danger zones and automatically alerts when rules are broken.
Thadorobot engineers train these systems to adapt to every industry and condition. All eyes and sensors are connected to one intelligent core that processes millions of data points per second.
Intruders stand no chance. The AI activates defense protocols instantly.
AI drones perform constant patrols, ensuring both security and environmental safety.
Every warning is delivered in real time, keeping humans informed but out of danger.
Even in crises, AI knows exactly what to do faster than any team.
Hundreds of cameras, all controlled by one digital brain, working in harmony. The future of manufacturing is not just automated, it is intelligently alive.
Zero guards, 100% safe.
Global leaders are investing in AI-powered safety designed by Thadorobot.
Companies report up to 40% efficiency gains since adopting AI surveillance.
With AI supervision, humans can focus on creativity, while machines handle precision.
Prevention, not reaction. That's the AI advantage.
A perfect example of how Thadorobot transforms safety into intelligence. The machines may rest, but the AI never stops. Safer, smarter, and stronger factories are now reality.
AI doesn't replace humans, it empowers them to achieve perfection.
Every move, every spark, every vibration is instantly analyzed.
The heart of every smart factory beats with Thadorobot innovation.
From Asia to Europe, industries are going fully autonomous. Proof that AI supervision saves not only money, but lives. Always awake, always aware, always Thadorobot. Every second counts, and AI makes every second safe. Families sleep peacefully, knowing Thadorobot keeps their loved ones protected. The age of AI factories is not coming. It is already here. Subscribe now to Thadorobot for more incredible tech and innovation. Join the revolution with Thadorobot. Like, comment, and subscribe today to stay ahead of the future.